My great great grandpa had to immigrate. It was my great great grandpa. It was hard for him to immigrate because there was no immigration back then, and then there's a war in Mexico, so that was one of the problems that was hard to immigrate, and he had to fight in it, but he didn't really want to get killed, so he just decided maybe not, maybe so, because he loved his family, but then he decided he didn't want to, and then just for them to immigrate, it was a little easy because all they had to do is cross a river, and they had to hide so they wouldn't get killed. And he it was not safe in Mexico because there was a war, and he had to take all of his family so they wouldn't get killed too. And then he worked all day. He was only 18 years old. He worked hard, really hard, and he had good money ever since.